Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Title: Getting Started with AWS Infrastructure as Code Using Python. Introduction. Infrastructure as Code, IAC, is a powerful approach to manage and provision infrastructure through code, allowing you to automate the deployment and management of resources in the cloud. Amazon Web Services, AWS, provides a robust set of services, and using Python as your programming language of choice can make IAC implementation more flexible and scalable. In this tutorial, we will walk through the process of setting up AWS infrastructure using Python and the AWS Cloud Development Kit, CDK. Prerequisites. Getting started. Initialize your CDK project. Create a new directory for your project and navigate into it. Run the following commands to set up a new CDK project. Install AWS CDK Dependencies. Install the necessary AWS CDK modules for Python using the following command. Write your CDK stack. Open the my_CDK_project/my_CDK_project_stack.py file in your favorite code editor. Update the file to define your AWS resources. For example, let's create an S3 bucket. Deploy your infrastructure. Deploy your CDK stack using the following command. Follow the prompts and confirm the deployment. View your deployed resources. Once the deployment is complete, you can view your AWS resources in the AWS Management Console or using the AWS CLI. Clean up resources. To avoid incurring additional charges, delete the resources created by your stack. Conclusion. Congratulations! You've successfully set up AWS infrastructure using Python and the AWS CDK. This tutorial provides a basic example, and you can extend it to include more complex architectures and services. Explore the AWS CDK documentation and Python SDK to discover additional features and options for managing your cloud infrastructure as code. ChatGPT.